I am primarily known for my artwork, for which I surgically implanted a microchip capsule in my hand and registered my artist self on the blockchain. All of my artworks are created as episodes of what I call the hyperreality show. Hyperreality is that blurred line between real and virtual, between analog and digital, between humanity and technology. It's about building a bridge between reality and virtuality through these digital artworks. I truly believe that art will bring meaning and soul to this space that we're calling the metaverse.